Hey guys, welcome back to my garden. Today we have day 30 of our growth, and the plants you could see are doing excellent, honestly. Starting out with this bottom tray over here, you could see that the dwarf size pak choi has really filled in the space over here, and I'm most likely going to be harvesting this tomorrow when I'm going to be cooking up dinner. Probably make like a little. Actually, it doesn't make a difference. But either way, guys, I'm excited to harvest this and to eat it. So we have the lettuce over here that's growing as well. You could see that it's starting to finally put on some height, and it looks like it's really filling in the space over here quite nicely. Now, I forget what this variety is, but you could see it's quite beautiful. It's like this really nice purple on the front and green in the back, and then it's really translucent in between, so it's nice color when the light is shining between it, and you can see it looks quite nice actually, really beautiful. And the lettuces are doing really nice. They're super packed in this thing right now at day 30, and no matter what I'm doing here, guys, I'm eating lettuce maybe 2-3 times a day. My wife is also eating lettuce multiple times a day. My son, he's too young to eat it. He's only 2 years old, so he's not quite into the flavor just yet, but man, look at all this food that's growing. I'm not even joking, guys. I'm literally eating so much lettuce, and it just keeps on growing. You want a challenge? Grow 40-50 plants of greens like this and see if you're able to consume it. Let me know down below. But in the meantime, what I was doing was I was just simply harvesting heads here and there. I probably harvested about maybe 6 or 7 heads already, and I just simply replaced it with this grow plug while new seeds are waiting to germinate basically and get a little bit larger to replace that area. You could see that even though that I have a couple spaces that are empty over here, the new growth is just really filling in the space here, and things are getting large, guys. The leaves are getting huge. Look at the size of this basil leaf, practically the size of my hand. This one's a little bit larger back here. Extremely nice basil. The smell is phenomenal. The taste is absolutely remarkable, guys. I highly recommend this basil lettuce if you haven't tried it. Really nice, guys. And look at this lettuce, man. Let me just rip that leaf off real quick. Look at the size of these leaves right now that are just producing, and they look absolutely gorgeous. Super nice. They're really delicious, honestly, right now. And I'm making salads, I'm cooking it up with eggs, I'm making it with dinner, just putting it with some chicken and some steak, anything like that. So we have a lot of different meals that I'm trying to do. What I am considering doing is probably juicing, honestly, because there's just so much food that's being produced here. I am not going to be able to consume it between me and my wife alone, so most likely that's going to be in the picture. So in the meantime, guys, things are doing excellent. You could see just how packed it is in here, honestly, right now. And let me see if I could show you guys what's growing, at least a little bit. Man, it's tight. Look at this beautiful forest. So 30 days, guys, that's all it took, honestly, to get to this point. And more food than I imagined I would have, honestly. So I still have a whole nother tray that I could grow in right now, and I honestly don't need it right now. I'm going to wait on that a little bit. In the meantime, I put the fan and picked it up off the floor, put it right there, and it's kind of bouncing and hitting both directions here a little bit more, as well as I repositioned this fan up here, and you can see the airflow is just much better now. Originally I wanted to move this entire station here over this way, basically, push it back and kind of free up some space on both ends. However, with the weight of the water in here, there's probably 10 gallons, this one, 10 gallons in that one, as well as the weight of this entire metal shoving unit is way too heavy, guys. I could not even budget even a little bit, so no sense in trying and spilling everything, making a huge mess. So things are going to stay exactly where they are until they get a little bit lower, the water level that is, and I'm able to pull things out and transplant. In the meantime, let's pop things open, guys. Let's check out the roots, actually. Man, it's always really difficult to get it out now that it's actually lower. I could do it with 2 hands, but 1 hand's a little bit more difficult, so check this out, guys. First of all, not much space to go up, so that's pretty much as high as it's gonna get, guys. But look at these beautiful roots that are growing. Looking like a really cool spider web right now. So that's the top one growing. And look at the air roots, really, really cool. Just exploding, guys, from the top, from the bottom. And this lower tray over here, let's pop this one open too. Looks like this way is a... come on, guys. There we go. Look at that. So really nice, actually. Super happy with the growth. Excuse that noise, I'm gonna still have to fix that. But man, let me step back. Look at all this food. I could not ask for anything else than what I have going right now, guys. That's pretty much it, guys. Not too much going on at the moment. Just wanted to show you a quick day 30 update. And keep you guys posted. If you liked the episode, guys, show me some love. Hit that thumbs up. Post any messages or comments down below. You know what to do. We're going to be back soon for more. I have some harvesting to do. I'll see you guys soon for more. As always, thanks for watching.